Hello friends, my name is Deepak Kaldane and you are welcome to our channel Forensic Search. In this video, we will see the scientific assistant in forensic science laboratory previous year questions paper. So, इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे जूनियर साइंटिफिक असिस्टेंट इन बायोलॉजी इन द फोरेंसिक साइंस लेबोरेटरी ऑफ तमिलनाडु इस एग्जामिनेशन का क्वेश्चन पेपर देखेंगे हम. ये एग्जामिनेशन वाज हेल्ड इन ईयर 2016. सो ये वीडियो आपका स्पेशली बेनिफिशियल रहेगा साइंटिफिक असिस्टेंट इन फोरेंसिक साइंस लेबोरेटरी फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ बायोलॉजी एज वेल एज फॉर सीरोलॉजी. सो इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखते रहे. So this is the question paper of Junior Scientific Assistant in Biology Division of Forensic Science Laboratory. प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 100 तक डिस्कस किया था. इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 101 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 200 तक. चलो तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. द burrowing marine animal belongs to the subphylum Hemichordata. ऑप्शन ए Belonoglossus, option B mud skipper, option C sea urchin, and option D snail. So correct answer is option A, that is Belonoglossus. Then the next question is germ layer endoderm in an embryo will give rise to an organ. Option A brain, option B muscles, option C eyes, and option D digestive organ. So correct answer is option D, that is digestive organ. Then the next question is an analysis which helps in the identification of genes and gives information about the mode of its inheritance is known as. Option A pedigree analysis, option B astrological analysis, option C sequential analysis of genes, and option D gene splicing. So correct answer is option A, that is pedigree analysis. Then the next question is genetic disease albinism in human is an. Option A allosomal dominant trait, option B autosomal recessive trait, option C sexually transmitted disease, and option D allosomal recessive trait. So correct answer is option B, that is autosomal recessive trait. Then the next question is which of the following scientists developed the process of DNA fingerprinting? Option A Carey Mullis, option B Alex Jeffreys, option C T.H. Morgan, option D H.O. Smith. So correct answer is option B, that is Alex Jeffreys. Then the next question is the propulsion of chyme in the intestine is called. Option A peristalsis, option B segmentation, option C filling, and option D secretion. So correct answer is option A, that is peristalsis. Then the next question is the corpus gland of a human male reproductive organs produce a transparent sticky fluid which protects the sperms from. Option A acid reaction, option B apoptosis, option C maturing, and option D lysis. So correct answer is option A, that is acid reaction. Then the next question is when an effective stimulus is provided to the heart, it will produce a maximum response making all the fibers to contract. This is called option A staircase phenomenon, option B refractory period, option C threshold stimulus, and option D all or none law. So correct answer is option D, all or none law. Then the next question is the alimentary canal is a derivative of. Option A mesoderm, option B endoderm, option C ectoderm, and option D diverticulum. So correct answer is option B, that is endoderm. Then the next question is number of nephrons found in the kidneys of man is. Option A, B, C, and D. Out of this, correct answer is option B, that is 2 million nephrons are found in the kidneys of man. Then the next question is an equation oxygen consumed per minute divided by arterial oxygen content minus venous oxygen content will denote one among the following. Option A, respiratory equation. Option B, calorific value. Option C, cardiac output. And option D, enzyme kinetics. So correct answer is option C, that is cardiac output. Then the next question is, what is the duration of each circadian rhythms? Option A, 24 hours. Option B, 1 month. Option C, 100 years. Option D, 1000 years. So correct answer is option A, that is 24 hours. Then the next question is, what are the two basic types of morphogenetic movements involved in the gastrulation? Option A, epiboly and emboli. Option B, entropy and enthalpy. Option C, ectoderm and endoderm. Option D, epidemic and endemic. So correct answer is option A, that is epiboly and emboli. Then next question is, what is the function of the estrogen hormone? Option A, development of secondary sexual character in girl. Option B, development of secondary sexual character in boy. Option C, growth of the boy. Option D, sperm production. So correct answer is option A, that is development of secondary sexual character in girl. Then the next question is, there are dash dash main types of WBCs in a human. Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. So correct answer is option D, that is 5. Then the next question is, hemolytic anemia is caused by the deficiency of the enzyme. Option A, fructose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. Option B, fructose 1,6 bisphosphatase. Option C, glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. And option D, ribulose 5th phosphate epimerase. So correct answer is option C, that is glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. Then the next question is, which one contains dehydrouracil loop? Option A, mRNA. Option B, rRNA. Option C, tRNA. And option D, hnRNA. So correct answer is option C, that is tRNA. Then the next question is, alpha helix and beta pleated nature of proteins represent. Option A, primary structure. Option B, tertiary structure. Option C, globular structure. And option D, secondary structure. So correct answer is option D, that is secondary structure. Then the next question is, this DNA is longer left-handed helix and has 12 base pairs with a pitch of 4.56 mm per helix turn. It is dash dash. Option A, DNA. Option B, BDNA. Option C, ZDNA. And option D, cDNA. So correct answer is option C, that is ZDNA. Then next question is, one Greiff's disease occurs due to deficiency of. Option A, hexokinase. Option B, glucose 6 phosphatase. Option C, D-Branker enzymes. And option D, phosphofructokinase. So correct answer is option B, that is glucose 6 phosphatase. Then next question is, fructose and glucose are hexose monosaccharides structurally differ by functional groups on. Option A, carbon 2. Option B, carbon 5. Option C, carbon 3. And option D, carbon 4. So correct answer is option A, that is carbon 2. Then next question is, steroid hormones are synthesized from. Option A, adenine. Option B, protein. Option C, vitamin. And option D, cholesterol. So correct answer is option D, that is cholesterol. The next question is, the hormone measured in urine to test pregnancy is. Option A, anterior pituitary luteinizing hormone. Option B, androgen. Option C, progesterone. And option D, human chorionic gonadotropin, that is HCG. So correct answer is option D. Then the next question is, the major molecules responsible for rejection of transplant is. Option A, beta cells. Option B, T cells. Option C, MHC molecules. And option D, antibodies. So correct answer is option C, that is MHC molecules. The next question is, which one of the following involves the formation of nitrate from ammonia? Option A, ammonification. Option B, nitrogen fixation. Option C, denitrification. And option D, nitrification. So correct answer is option D, that is nitrification. Then the next question is, the enzyme administered therapeutically for treating acute myocardial infarction is option A, streptokinase or urokinase, option B, arginase, option C, alpha amylase, and option D, alpha asparginase. So correct answer is option A, that is streptokinase or urokinase. Then the next question is, the mobility of protein molecules in an electrophoretic field is based on option A, electric charges, option B, molecular weight, option C, both electric charges and molecular weight, and option D, affinity on the gel. The correct answer is option C, that is both electric charges and molecular weight. Then the next question is, immunoglobulin classes must be distinguished by the type of option A, light chains they possess, option B, carbohydrates on their light chains, option C, constant regions in their light chains, option D, heavy chains they possess. So correct answer is option D, that is heavy chains they possess. Then the next question is, the commonly used preservatives for 24-hour urine sample is option A, trichloroacetic acid, option B, thymol, option C, heparin, and option D, ammonium chloride. So correct answer is option B, that is thymol. Then next question is, in agar gel electrophoresis, the DNA is mostly stained with option A, Comessi brilliant blue, option B, indigo dye, option C, titan yellow, and option D, ethidium bromide. So correct answer is option D, that is ethidium bromide. Then next question is, Maxam and Gilbert's method is applied in option A, DNA sequencing, option B, protein sequencing, option C, amino acid sequencing, and option D, DNA cloning. So correct answer is option A, DNA sequencing. Then next question is, the average amount of blood in an adult is dash dash liters. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 5, and option D 7. So correct answer is option C, that is 5. Then the next question is, the cross linkage agent used for polyacrylamide gel formation is option A, acrylamide, option B, bis-acrylamide, option C, timid, and option D, ethidium bromide. So correct answer is option C, that is timid. Then the next question is, heterogeneous family of glycoproteins in serum produced specifically for an antigen are option A, heptanes, option B, gamma globulins, option C, antibodies, and option D, adjuvant. So correct answer is option C, that is antibodies. Then next question is, Nipah virus causes option A, influenza, option B, encephalitis, option C, phenophthalmitis, and option D, opisthotomus. So correct option is option B, that is encephalitis. Then next question is, late blowing in cheese production is due to option A, Clostridium butyricum, option B, Clostridium purpureus, option C, Bacillus cereus, and option D, Pseudomonas biokinesis. So correct answer is option A, that is Clostridium butyricum. Then the next question is, in Mantox test, a purified protein derivative, that is PPD, is injected intracutaneously to detect which of the following diseases? Option A, leptospirosis, option B, mycoplasmosis, option C, aspergillosis, and option D, tuberculosis. So correct answer is option D, tuberculosis. The next question, the ultimate resolution of an electron microscope is So option A, B, C and D, out of which correct answer is option B, that is 0.5 nanometer. Then the next question is the food-borne botulism, food poisoning that is caused by Clostridium botulinum produces one of the following toxin. Option A, exotoxin, option B, neurotoxin, option C, enterotoxin and option D, extracellular toxin. So correct answer is option B, that is neurotoxin. Then the next question is the most common nosocomial infection is option A, surgical wounds, option B, urinary tract infection, option C, bacteremia and option D, burn wounds. So correct answer is option B, urinary tract infection. Then next question is yam lapri can be cultivated in. So out of option A, B, C and D, correct answer is option A, that is 9B, Aramidalu. Then the next question is preservation of microorganism in liquid nitrogen at minus 296 degrees Celsius and cultures of fastidious microorganism have been preserved for more than 15 years. This is called dash dash method. Option A, mineral oil plant, option B, drying, option C, lyophilization, option D, ultra freezing. So correct answer is option D, that is ultra freezing. The next question is which of the following media will be used to cultivate an aerob? Option A, reducing media, option B, enrichment media, option C, differential media and option D, complex media. So correct answer is option A, that is reducing media. The next question is time taken to kill 90% of a population in a given temperature is known as. Option A, generation time, option B, decimal reduction time, option C, thermal dead point, option D, thermal dead time. So correct answer is option B, that is decimal reduction time. Then the next question is yes, cerevisiae produces the enzyme. Option A, glucose oxidase, option B, invertase, option C, cellulose, option D, tyrosinase. So correct answer is option B, that is invertase. The next question, IPM stands for. Out of option A, B, C and D, correct answer is option A, that is integrated pest management. Then the next question is hybridoma are made by. Option A, fusing T cells with myeloma cells, option B, fusing B cells with myeloma cells, option C, fusing T helper cells and myeloma cells and option D, fusing B memory cells and myeloma cells. So correct answer is option D, that is fusing B memory cells and myeloma cells. The next question is which of the following accumulates the factory waste? Option A, P. aeruginosa, option B, Theobacillus, option C, P. putida and option D, Zuglia ramigera. So correct answer is option D, that is Zuglia ramigera. Then the next question is gene mutation occurs at the time of. Option A, DNA repair, option B, DNA replication, option C, cell division and option D, RNA transcription. So correct answer is option B, DNA replication. The next, the similarity of specific DNA fragments generated by restriction endonuclease digestion is compared using option A, radioimmunoassay, option B, ELISA method, option C, genomic fingerprinting and option D, ribotyping. So correct answer is option C, genomic fingerprinting. Then next question is high levels of clay soil interferes and restricts the infection of banana rootlets caused by. Option A, micro monospora species, option B, TMV, option C, red rot fungus and option D, Fusarium oxysporum. So correct answer is option D. The next question, the height where the stratospheric temperatures stop increasing leading to a thin zone is called. Option A, troposphere, option B, stratopause, option C, mesosphere, option D, mesopause. So correct answer is option B, that is statopods. Then the next question is, who isolated 6 large hypervaluable fragments from DNA fingerprints? Option A, Wang et al. Option B, Alex Jeffrey. Option C, Boston. And option D, Davis. So correct answer is option A, Wang et al. Next question, nuclear polyhedrosis viruses, that is NPVS, that belongs to subgroups of baculoviruses were used to control one of the following insect pests. Option A, spider mites. Option B, apide pest. Option C, Helothris species. Option D, Colorado beetle. So correct answer is option C. Then next question is, Quamis is produced from a mare's milk due to fermentation by the starter culture. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Out of which correct answer is option C, that is Lactobacillus delbrueckii subspecies bulgaricus. The next question is, which termination codon is called as Auchary codon? Option A, AUG, option B, UAG, option C, UAA, and option D, UGA. So correct answer is option C, that is UAA. Then the next question is, the cell membrane which allows only water but no solid particles to pass through it. Out of option A, B, C, and D, correct answer is option A, that is semi-permeable plasma membrane. The next question is, the major type of lipid component found in the mitochondrial membrane is. Option A, simple lipids. Option B, triglycerides. Option C, phospholipids. Option D, cardiolipin. So option D, cardiolipin. So correct answer is option C, that is phospholipids. The next question is, the formation of tyloses in the xylem vessels when the invasion of pathogens into host cells helps to. Option A, check the fungal growth. Option B, speed up the fungal growth. Option C, check the invasion of pathogens. And option D, easy penetration of pathogens. So correct answer is option A, that is check the fungal growth. The next question is, the fungus which requires more than one host to complete its life cycle is called as. Option A, Atoeosus. Option B, Heteroesus. Option C, macrocyclic, and option D, pleomorphic. So correct answer is option B. Then the next question is, the absorption of the food material by the pathogens from the host cell is through. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Here out of option A, B, C, and D, correct answer is option C, that is Hostorium. The next question is, in an enzyme catalyzed reaction pathway by series of enzymes, the inhibition of first step by final product is. Option A, feedback regulation. Option B, enzyme degradation. Option C, control of enzyme synthesis. Option D, activation of latent enzymes. So correct answer is option A, that is feedback regulation. Then next question is, in Marsillia, the sporangium produced within a specialized structure is known as. Option A, sporocarpus. Option B, sporophyllus. Option C, cones. Option D, ascocarpus. So correct answer is option A, that is sporocarpus. The next question, in cycas, the presence of dash dash root has symbiotic association with members of. Option A, keroid root and green algae. Option B, keroid root and blue-green algae. Option C, nematophore and green algae. Option D, rhizophore and blue-green alga. So correct answer is option B, that is keroid root and blue-green alga. Then next question is, lichens are the symbiotic combinations between the members of. Option A, blue-green alga and Ascomycetes. Option B, green alga and Basidiomycetes. Option C, green alga and Ascomycetes. And option D, red alga and Basidiomycetes. So correct answer is option C, green alga and Ascomycetes. The next question is, The early gymnosperms were evolved in the geological periods of, out of option A, B, C and D, correct answer is option B, that is lower Carboniferous and upper Carboniferous. The next question is, how many linkage groups are found in maize? So correct answer is option B, that is 10. Then next question is, pH of seawater is, correct answer is option A, that is 7.8. The next question is, which one of the following plants is a rich variety of timber? So out of option A, B, C and D, correct answer is option B, that is Dalbergia sissu. Then next question is, Ocimum sanctum belongs to the family. Option A, Meliaceae, option B, Acanthaceae, option C, Liliaceae and option D, Lamiaceae. So correct answer is option D, that is Lamiaceae. The next question, the most important drug used to cure malaria disease is, out of option A, B, C and D, correct answer is option B, that is quinine. Then next question is, porogamy is, option A, fertilization in which pollen tube enters the ovule through integument. Option B, fertilization in which pollen tube enters the ovule through funicle. Option C, fertilization in which pollen tube enters the ovule through chaliza. And option D is fertilization in which pollen tube enters the ovule through micropyle. So correct answer is option D. The next question is, an embryo may sometimes develop from a cell of an embryo sac other than the egg. This is called as, option A, apospory, option B, parthenogenesis, option C, parthenocarpy and option D, apogamy. So correct answer is option D, that is apogamy. The next question is, the role of double fertilization in angiosperm is to produce, option A, cotyledons, option B, integuments, option C, endosperm and option D, endocarp. So correct answer is option C, that is endosperm. The next question is, a true fruit is the one where, option A, only ovary of the flower develops into fruits. Option B, ovary and calyx of the flower develops into fruits. Option C, ovary, calyx and thalamus of the flower develops into fruits. And option D, all flower walls of the flower develops into fruits. So correct answer is option A. The next question, the custom in which two or more of polygynous man's wives are sisters. Option A, paternal polyandry. Option B, serial monogamy. Option C, sororal polygyny and option D, levirate. So correct answer is option C, that is sororal polygyny. Then the next question is, the concept of litter and great tradition propounded by, out of option A, B, C and D, correct option is option B, that is Robert Redfield. Next question, which one is the dental formula of old world monkeys? So out of option A, B, C and D, correct answer is option D, that is 2:1:2:3. Then next question is, the sense of confusion and disorientation field workers may experience upon entering the field. Option A, rapport building. Option B, ethnocentrism. Option C, cultural relativism and option D, culture shock. So correct answer is option D, that is culture shock. The next question, snowball sampling is otherwise called as. So out of option A, B, C and D, correct answer is option D, that is all the above are correct. That is option A was respondent driven sampling, option B, chain replex sampling and option C, network sampling. The next question is, the silent trade was practiced by, option A, African tribes, option B, American tribes, option C, Judean tribes and option D, Melanesian tribes. So correct answer is option D, that is Melanesian tribes. Next question, who is the author of book Primitive Culture? So out of option A, B, C and D, correct answer is option B, that is E.B. Tyler. The next question is, holism means, option A, completeness, option B, wholeness, option C, togetherness, and option D, relationship of parts with the whole. So correct answer is option D. The next question is, the Ongi tribes are found in option A, Orissa, option B, Andaman Islands, option C, Andhra Pradesh, and option D, Tamil Nadu. So correct answer is option B. The next question is, what is a quantitative research method among the following? So option A, observation, B, interview, C, survey, and D, case study. So correct answer is option C, that is survey. Next question, how many tribes in Tamil Nadu were treated as particularly vulnerable tribal groups? So out of option A, B, C, and D, correct answer is option C, that is 6 tribes. Then next question is, identify the correct sequence of landmarks on mid-sagittal plane of the cranium. So out of option A, B, C, and D, correct answer is option A, that is lambda, brygna, glabella, Nassian, and Procyon. The next question, the term evolution was first applied by option A, Herbert Spencer, option B, Sudrens, option C, Aristotle, and option D, Darwin. So correct answer is option A, that is Herbert Spencer. Then next question is, the most commonly used method of sequencing DNA was developed by. So option A, B, C, and D, out of which correct answer is option D, that is Fred Sanger. The next question, biological anthropologists who study human growth are known as. So out of option A, B, C, and D, correct answer is option D, that is oxologist. Then the next question is, white skin people are also known as. So option A, leucoderms, option B, xanthoderms, option C, melanoderms, and option D, uroderms. So correct answer is option A, that is leucoderms. The next question, the highest polymorphism among human blood antigen is shown by. Option A, RA system, option B, ABO system, option C, HLA system, option D, MNAS system. So correct answer is option C, that is HLA system. The next question, who is considered as the father of physical anthropology? So out of option A, B, C, and D, correct answer is option A, that is John Frederick Blumenbach. The next question, first scientific studies in genetics were carried out by. So we all know the correct answer is option B, that is George John Mendel. The next question, a gene is made up of. Option A, DNA, option B, RNA, option C, either DNA or RNA, option D, amino acids. So correct answer is option C, that is either DNA or RNA. The next question, genetic drift also known as. Option A, adaptive radiation, option B, gene sequencing, option C, sampling error, option D, isolation. So correct answer is option C, that is sampling error. Then next question is, find out the column which is wrongly matched. तो कॉलम दिए यहाँ पे, चार्ल्स डार्विन, यूज एंड डिसयूज ऑफ ऑर्गन्स. देन बी ऑप्शन, जेबी लैमार्क, स्ट्रगल फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस. ऑप्शन सी, ग्रीगर मेंडल, लॉ ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस. एंड ऑप्शन डी, कार्ल वॉन लिन, अर्ली टैक्सोनॉमी. सो रॉन्ग आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज जेबी लैमार्क, स्ट्रगल फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस. ये कॉलम रॉन्गली मैच है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. Then next question is, man is an orthograde animal according to. So option A, anterior position, option B, ventral position, option C, frontal position, option D, anatomical position. So correct answer is option D, anatomical position. So friends, this is the question paper of scientific assistant in biology division of Forensic Science Laboratory, Tamil Nadu. Thanks for watching our channel Forensic Search. Thank you.